Welcome everyone into my channel Saskiano. With you MD. If this is your first visit to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification button. Do not forget to leave your feedback and your suggestions down below in the comments. This will help me to improve the content of our channel. In this video, we will quickly animate multiple objects on a single shape layer using the path operation Wiegel transform. To get started, let us look at our project. You will notice I have a bunch of clouds at the bottom of the scene with her little one night sky title. Now I want these clouds to just kind of wiggle independently. Let us go ahead and select layer 4, which is named cloud 5. And I will solo that layer, and you will notice that that layer is actually made up of multiple shapes. If I open up the contents here, you can see I have multiple ellipses that all make up that individual cloud. So, make sure the cloud 5 layer selected enable solo. In the content area, go to add and let us add Wiegel transform to this. Now Wiegel transform will affect everything above it as long as it is in the same group and these are on the same intention level, so that is the case. So, let us open up the Wiegel transform options and then open up its transform options down here. I want these to move about 10 pixels on the X for the position and maybe 12 pixels on the Y for position. Now if we press the space bar, you will notice these little circles are moving independently. If I want them to move a little more slowly, I can decrease the wiggles per second. Right now it is moving at 2 wiggles per second. So, I will change that to a setting of 1. It is going to move a little more slowly. Now I like this, so I am going to go ahead and copy this Wiegel transform to all the other layers in the composition. So, I will press the space bar to stop playback and selected words Wiegel transform 1. And go up to edit and choose copy. Now since I use this on cloud number 5, I will go ahead and close cloud number 5 and turn off its solo. And I will just lock that layer so I cannot select it. Then go up and select the cloud 7 layer by clicking on it. Then I will go down to the cloud 1 layer, hold down shift on my keyboard and click on cloud 1 to select all the cloud layers except for our locked cloud 5 layer. And I can go up to the edit menu and choose paste. Now the nice thing about this, when I deselect all these clouds by clicking down here at the bottom and press the space bar here. Now you will get a preview of the animation of all of these little elements in each of the individual clouds. Now since I have so many different effects on top of each of these clouds, it is going to take a second to render and you will notice they are moving very slowly. But I will just press the space bar to stop playback, then move the current time indicator back to preview the rendered frames here in this green section. Press the space bar again to preview that section and render more frames. And here you can see. Now I have the clouds actually moving. So, if you want to go ahead and wait all the way through until everything is loaded, you will get a much better idea as to what is going on here. So, I will actually rejoin you through the magic of editing once everything is rendered and you will be able to see how the Wiegel transform works. Now that we can preview the animation, you can see that path operations like Wiegel transform give you multiple ways to add additional parameters to control the animation of shape layers. What you learned. How to animate multiple shapes within a single shape layer using one set of controls in the path operation, Wiegel transform. Apply Wiegel transform to shape layers. 1. Select the shape layer to animate in the timeline. 2. Open the layer options by clicking on the arrow for the shape layer. 3. In the content section, press the add button and choose Wiegel paths from the menu. 4. Press the space bar to preview the animation. 5. Adjust the Wiegel transform options to set which parameters will animate. 6. Adjust the Wiegel second setting to change the speed of animation. Add the newly applied Wiegel transform command to other layers in the composition. 1. Click on Wiegel transform 1 to select the Wiegel transform operation and copy. 2. Select any other shape layers in the timeline panel and paste to add the Wiegel transform operation to the selected layers. Here we go, we are done for today. Do not forget to leave your comment down below to help me to improve the content of the channel. See you next time. Goodbye.